Kids Learning TV. Speech about Independence Day. Good morning, everyone. Respected principal, honorable teachers, dear parents, and my dear friends. A very happy Independence Day to you all. Today, we have gathered here to celebrate one of the most important and proud days in the history of our nation. On 15th August 1947, our country became free after a long and courageous struggle. This freedom was not gifted to us, it was earned through the sacrifices, courage, and determination of countless freedom fighters. We remember great leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Bhagat Singh, Subhash Chandra Bose, Chandrasekhar Azad, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Lal Bahadur Shastri, along with many other brave men and women who dreamed of a free India and dedicated their lives to make their dream come true. My dear friends, freedom is not just about living in an independent country. It also means having the right to learn, to dream, to express our ideas, and to build a bright future. But with these rights come responsibilities. As young citizens, we must be honest, disciplined, kind, and respectful. We should protect our environment, follow the rules, help those in need, and always work hard to make our country proud. India is a land of great diversity. We speak different languages, celebrate different festivals, and follow different traditions, yet we are united by one identity. We are all Indians. Our strength lies in our unity. Let us always respect every culture, every religion, and every citizen, because together we make our nation stronger. The future of India is in the hands of today's students. Every lesson we learn, every good habits we develop, and every act of kindness we show helps build a better nation. Let us dream big, study sincerely, and become responsible citizens who contribute to India's progress. On this special day, let us take a pledge to love our country, honor our national flag, respect our constitution, and always uphold the value of truth, peace, unity, and patriotism. Let us all work together to make India stronger, cleaner, smarter, and more prosperous. May our three colors always fly high with pride. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you and have a wonderful Independence Day.